What's up, guys? I'm not sure if I already told you this, which I probably didn't. Yeah, I didn't. But I'm upgrading to Valve Index controllers on my Quest by using some different stuff. But the controllers didn't come. But guess what did? The base station. So let's get into it. Okay. So it looks like there's some tape. Pull this. Yeah. Okay. I guess I don't pull that. I pull this. Crap. Come on. Just open. Yeah. I have to rip this, bro. Alright, this is very messy. And there it is. Alright, so now you just take it out with this plastic film, I believe. Yeah. And this is the best part. Listen. Oh, best part every time.